Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Topper Chef. Today we're gonna make apple adobo sauce, which will go well with a pork chop.
For our apple adobo sauce, we already have the sauces on our channel, which is the apple sauce and the adobo sauce. Of course, you can put more of the adobo sauce if you want to make it spicy. So usually what I said was applesauce goes well with any pork dish. And when we learned in a catering college, we used to talk about this all the time. So 3 tablespoons of applesauce and 1 teaspoon of adobo sauce. The more you want spicy, I'm gonna take it a little more because I like it spicy. And then add some olive oil and just whisk it well and mix it well. And that's it. Put some salt on it if you need, but this already has some salt, so you don't need anything else. That's it. This is going to be our accompaniment for our pork chops.
Hi, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Today we cooked the pork chops and now we're gonna do the taste test. This is the pork chops with the apple adobo sauce, and the pork chops are really well cooked and tender. Oh my God, it's so good. It's got that flavor of the apple with the adobo, really nice blending with the pork, with the chops. And also, if you like this recipe now, give us a big thumbs up. And of course, like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy cooking!